used to play with myself, but when I got older and I found out what comes with it, I stopped.
What comes with it?
Yeah. I don't want people to think I'm crazy.
No, we want to
But
know.
it's there. You know, when you masturbate, you're having sex with a sex demon, like, you know.
Really? I never heard that.
never
Put it up on your phone. It's a sex demon
was doing a
called
lot of
incubus.
I've heard of
Incubus
incubus.
and succubus. So you have a male sex demon and a female sex demon.
Okay.
So when you masturbate, you're having sex with a male sex demon.
Wow.
Yeah, and
that?
it also will be in a relationship with you and cause problem in your actual relationship.
Is that
Demon
what I got with it?
masturbation.
Well, I don't know. Maybe
the problem with my actual relationship, but I masturbate a lot.
Yeah, my love, you have to look more than
Oh, here
something
we
I
go. It's
read.
on Twitter. Masturbation is sex with demons. It defiles and destroys your
Path to
body.
Satan and sex.
I think you can find anything you want to find on the internet, though, because we could find the exact opposite.
No, but if you Google and
what
stuff,
about a sex angel?
sex angel.
Well,
I read up on it a lot. So I'm a big on
I'm
reader.
read
You
on
know,
it.
read up on it. It's
I'm
called
a read about
incubus and succubus or
I'm
something
so
like
interested
that.
in this now.
No,
I feel
yeah.
like I've seen some incubus and succubus porn.
Succubus, yeah, it's a sex demon that really literally will have sex with you, fall in love with you, everything, and it will mash up your relationship. So when your man have sex with you, it causes
Because they get jealous.
Or
Yes,
it says, is
that's the
masturbating
thing.
really